This is actually insane. So much snow. All right, if you're in the eastern part of the US right now, you're probably also experiencing something like this, which is a ton of snow. But I figure I want to go ride the RTR in the snow instead of being just stuck inside, so let's do it. All right, so we got the RTR here. You can just see how much freaking snow there is, dude. This guy's blowing through here. It's pretty tall, dude. Like Rizzler height, snow height. Can't really always tell on camera, but we got our boots on. We're gonna throw on our other stuff and go rip it. Okay, snowy times. Got the RTR here. Let's just go rip it. We did recently put the dirt tires and wheels back on, so this should help a bit, but this is some deep snow. Oh, this is so fun, dude. With the dirt tires, you actually get a little bit of grip. Definitely got to keep your speed going though. Holy shit. This is definitely some deep snow though. Damn. RTR's eating it though. And this is my car. We got her parked away right now because she can't fit in the garage, but she does fit under here, and you know, ideally she's not getting snowed in like the rest of the cars. Just seeing if my license plate is in here for this bike. I don't know where the license plate is. Whatever, we'll find it later. This will be like the only wheelie of the video, I'm sure. Guys, it is also, I think, like 20 out. Let's just go straight through this. This thing is handling great though, dude. All right, so as you guys can tell, there's literally like no rhyme or reason to this video, but let's hop on this bike and just see what we can explore around here. I think some of the main roads are cleared off, so we'll just see how it is. Yeah, so we just switched back to the dirt wheels and tires, and I'm actually really impressed how well this thing seems to be doing so far. Now we have these roads, which they're cleared, but they're definitely gonna be slick. But we got our moto boots on, so we're chilling. This is definitely not advisable, but why the hell not? I'm just sitting inside otherwise. Plus, we can run to the gas station, grab a little snack. Why the frick not? This is honestly better suited than the car right now. Can we wheelie on this? Oh, we're losing traction. You know, now this thing is technically a street legal bike, so wow, and these are the main roads? Damn. Damn, they really didn't even clear the main road. Oh my god, we're going so side to side. Holy hell. This is crazy, bro. Totally crazy. Oh my god, I'm going so side to side, bro. All right, let's go down left here and then we can go right into the place. There's nobody on the roads though. That's the craziest thing. Look at us, we're just outside. And I'm sure this cop is gonna love me here. I'm sure I'm gonna get in trouble with him. I'm sure he'll pull me over, so let's see how that goes. That's such convenient timing, dude. Oh, he doesn't even give a shit. What? That's crazy. Well, I will take that as a win. That's crazy. And let's just take a look. Take a photo of this bike out here right now, bro. Okay, so back to recording. To look at all the snow in here. The dumb thing that I'm not thinking about is the fact that this is all gonna freeze onto the bike in the garage. And I don't have a hose or anything to wash it off, so that's smart, but this is properly crazy. Look, we'll get a front row parking. I don't know what this green stuff is. I think it's salt. Say less. I don't think anyone's gonna take the bike. Hi, how's it going? Everyone is definitely like, what the fuck is this guy doing? He's out here on a fucking electric bike. Through the snow! Unless you've got like a freaking four-wheel drive Tacoma or like an all-wheel drive Subaru. Or the Toyota RAV4 in front of us, I guess. Then you're chilling. Here we go, baby. What is everyone doing? Are they stuck? People are definitely looking at me like, look at this fucking idiot. I'm trying my best to balance right now. Let's go with this guy. Yeah, the electric dirt bike, brother. Let's go. This guy's going sideways here with his trailer. Oh my god, this is great. I'm going just as fast as the damn RAV4. Whoa. I think there's a trail right here. Ain't no way we're gonna get up that though. Like, look at that. We just parked her. Just parked her in the snow. line I'm leaving. That's great. Oh, this is where it'd be interesting to go. Ready? Here we go. Oh my God, the motor's silent right now. This is crazy. Yo, it's actually eating this. Holy shit. I can't believe that I just made it through that. Guys, I don't think you understand. This was... Do you guys see how deep this is? It's up to like above my shin. We just cruised through that. This thing just keeps freaking surprising me, dude. It's definitely... They didn't plow any of this here. So it's way deeper. Way deeper. Real hard to keep this thing straight, eh? Oh, and that is some deep shit. Wow, okay. It's starting to get harder too. All right, let's turn this pig around. All right, just friggin' no let up off the fucking throttle. And now we're going and doing donuts. Keep it on it. Keep on the throttle. We're not letting up. We need to keep our momentum going. Here we go. Oh, we lost it. Here we go. Dude, I'm so impressed. These are completely stock. The stock dirt tires and wheels that come on the RTR and the RTR light. Wow. And it's just pushing me right through this. Yeah, she's deep in that one. I don't know if we'll be able to get through this one. Yeah, we will. Oh, my eyes. Should have wore the clear goggles. Everyone definitely thinks I'm a fucking lunatic, bro. Ready? Straight over this thing. Oh, that's a curb. You see that, guys? That's a curb. This is the danger with the snow. Oh, we're just blowing a snowstorm up everywhere, aren't we? This is way too far. I'm plowing, okay? Alright, well my GoPro's about to turn off because it's so damn cold. And they're blocking my way in because they're plowing right now. So I'm gonna try and go around the back way, see if we don't have any success there. Here we go. Oh, fuck. There we go. Alright. We just gotta hit this hill climb to get home. Here goes nothing. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! This thing is so good in the snow. It's actually insane. It's actually wild. What the hell? Little victory donut, dude. Alright, y'all, Shiesty Beanie Connor is back because this is the weather we deal with here in the Northeast right now. It's so much snow, but hey, that was actually a ton of fun, completely random. Stock dirt wheels and tires performed freaking phenomenally. Last video, I changed the Supermotos over to these dirt wheels for the off-road video, and these are here to stay. This is actually so much fun. Rizzler's the street gal, obviously not going on the street right now, so RTR is getting all the love, but hey, we got our little treat from the gas station. Still made it out in the blizzard, so stay safe out there. Otherwise, see you guys very, very soon. If you want to win $1,000 to Electro & Co., buy a sticker on my website, potentially win. Otherwise, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.